Hey everyone, welcome to FX Smart. In today's video, we're excited to share a powerful new strategy that's incredibly accurate and easy to use. This strategy automatically identifies key support and resistance zones, as well as overbought and oversold areas, helping you pinpoint the best entry and exit points for your trades. While it works across all time frames, we recommend using it on the 5-minute and 15-minute charts for optimal results. This strategy makes it simple to find the most reliable support and resistance levels, allowing you to trade with confidence. Whether you're trading Forex, crypto, or stocks, this strategy has shown great performance. So sit back, relax, and watch the video all the way through. You're going to love it. Let's get started. Let's start by adding the indicators to the chart. Go to the TradingView website, and from the Indicators tab, search for support resistance channels and add it to your chart. This indicator will automatically identify support and resistance zones for you. The green zones represent support areas where we look for buy signals, while the red zones represent resistance areas where we look for sell signals. Let's get this indicator ready for our strategy. First, go to the settings, navigate to the Inputs tab, and change the pivot period to 14. If you only trade on higher time frames, leave this setting as is. Set the maximum channel width to 5 or 3 and set the minimum strength to 1. Next, change the maximum number of support resistance to 10. Finally, adjust the look-back period to 300. At the bottom, you can customize the colors of the support and resistance zones. I prefer making them a bit bolder, but you can adjust them to your liking. This part is purely personal preference. One important and useful feature I always use is the display of pivot points. By enabling this option, you can see the high and low pivots on the chart. As you can see, we are on the live 5-minute gold chart. One simple and powerful strategy is to trade the break of the pivot followed by a pullback to the broken level for entry. For example, here you can see a double bottom pattern forming in a support zone. This is a key reversal pattern from a downtrend to an uptrend. The price then breaks out of the neckline or the last swing high, and we could have entered a buy position on the pullback. There are many other strategies, and I'll try to create a complete video for you in the future. Another important feature of this indicator is its ability to highlight when support and resistance zones are broken. By enabling this feature, you can easily identify when the price breaks out of these zones, but remember, not all breakouts are valid. We'll review some examples in this video. If you notice, this indicator also includes 2 moving averages. By enabling them, you can easily identify the market trend over both the long and short term. Another simple and effective strategy is to use these moving averages. For instance, when the 50-period moving average crosses above the 200-period moving average, it generates a buy signal. You can wait for a breakout of the resistance zone and a pullback before entering a buy position. In the Style tab, you can customize the appearance of the indicator according to your preference. As you can see, this amazing indicator alone can help you receive the best trading signals. In this video, we will only focus on using the support and resistance zones of this indicator. Now go back to the Indicators tab, search for EDRI Extreme Points Buy Sell and add it to the chart. If you don't see the indicator on the chart after adding it, don't worry. Go to the Indicators settings, and from the Inputs tab, you can access the adjustments. I want to change the CCI momentum length to 3 and the RSI length to 9. These settings work well on most time frames. Let's analyze the signals on the live gold chart. Allow me to temporarily hide the support and resistance indicator so the signals can be seen more clearly. As you can see, this indicator performs remarkably well and has accurately identified buy and sell signals on the 5-minute time frame. This indicator also has another important tool that you can use. Go back to the indicator settings and in the Inputs tab, scroll down and enable the Plot Mean Reversion Bands option. This will add 2 bands to the chart, and you can see how well the price reacts to them. If I change the look-back period to 20 and adjust the outer band to 2, we get even more precise and frequent signals. As you can see, this indicator alone can help you identify overbought and oversold zones, as well as key support and resistance areas. I recommend exploring this feature yourself, although we won't be using it in this video. In the Style tab, you can customize the settings to your preference. The strategy is now ready. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed it so far, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support encourages us to create more content. Thank you. If you're looking for a reliable and reputable broker with a proven track record, HankaTrade is your best choice. This broker has been active in the financial markets for many years. Let's take a look at the HankaTrade online platform. This platform will astonish you. You have access to a wide range of indicators and all the analytical tools you need. One of the remarkable features of this platform is its amazing indicators. You can add any number of indicators to your charts without any limitations. If you want to check important news and reports, you can easily access them here without having to scour other websites for market news and report release times. You can conveniently set up multiple alerts on various symbols and not worry about missing opportunities. Access to your account is easy, allowing you to manage your positions effortlessly. You can use this platform on both mobile and Windows devices. It's an amazing platform with a plethora of features and incredible tools. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Join this broker today and enjoy trading. I've provided the registration link in the description. Rules for entering a buy position. To enter a buy position, it is best if the price is already broken out above the last lower highs, or if bullish candlestick patterns such as double bottom or triple bottom have formed within a support zone. Then, wait for a bullish candle to close and a buy signal to appear, indicated by a green triangle. Under these conditions, you can enter a buy position. Place your stop loss a few pips below the support zone and set your take profit with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:2. For potentially higher profits, you can use a trailing stop loss. The upcoming resistance levels can be used as targets 1 and 2. Rules for entering a sell position. To enter a sell position, it's best if the price is already broken below the last higher lows, or if bearish candlestick patterns such as double top or triple top have formed within a resistance zone. Then wait for a bearish candle to close and for the sell signal, indicated by a red triangle, to appear. Under these conditions, you can enter a sell position. Place your stop loss a few pips above the resistance zone and set your take profit with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:2. For potentially higher profits, you can use a trailing stop loss. The upcoming support levels can be used as targets 1 and 2. Let's review a few examples. As you can see here, a double bottom pattern has formed. If you're an experienced trader, you know that when the price breaks through the neckline, you can enter a position during the pullback. I want to show you how you can enter a trade using just this pattern and an indicator. So I wait here for the price to break the neckline. After the pullback and seeing a bullish candle, I enter a buy position. As you can see, the price breaks the neckline here and then pulls back to the resistance level. The bullish engulfing candle has closed, and I can enter a buy position. I set my stop loss below the support zone and set my take profit with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:2. As I mentioned earlier, we can use resistance levels as targets for exiting the position. Let's see the outcome. On the EAR JPY 15-minute chart, you can see that the price has been moving in a downtrend and, after a correction, has reached a resistance level where a double top pattern has formed. Now I want to assess the strength of this resistance level. To determine how far the corrective move might extend, we'll use the Fibonacci retracement tool. As you can see, the price has retraced to the 50% level, which aligns with the resistance level. This suggests that the second wave of the downtrend is likely to begin from this level. A sell signal has been generated, so I can open a short position. I'll place the stop loss above the resistance level and set the take profit with a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. Let's see the outcome. Now, let's take a look at the gold chart on the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, the trend is bearish and the price is currently retracing towards a resistance level. When the price enters the resistance zone, the color of the zone changes. If the price closes above the resistance level, the color turns green, and if it closes below, the color turns red. This setup is one of the key smart money concepts that I've covered extensively in my smart money videos. Notice that at this point, the big players in the market are looking for liquidity above the resistance level, so they push the price higher to gather the necessary liquidity for a downward move. As you can see, a shooting star candle has formed, followed by a bearish candle closure. A sell signal has been generated. Now we can open a short position. I'll place the stop loss above the resistance level and set the take profit with a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. We can choose the support levels for exiting the trade. Let's see the outcome. Unlock your trading potential with FX Smart Academy. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your skills, our comprehensive courses cover everything from the basics to advanced strategies. With our expert guidance, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to navigate the markets like a pro. Join our community today and gain access to exclusive trading signals with high accuracy, designed to maximize your profits. Don't miss out on this chance to elevate your trading game. Sign up now and take the first step towards financial freedom. Click the link in the description to get started. Your success story begins here. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends so they can benefit from it too. Until the next video, stay successful.